Hey guys, so in this video we're checking out the this FrSKY ROVER3 tricopter. The two front rotors tilt to make a turn and move forward and backwards. This is a prototype, so this is a preview video. It's got wheels in the bottom. I'm not sure what those are for, like landing gear. I'm not exactly sure what all the specs are. You can't buy this anywhere yet, so I'll put a link in the description later when it comes out on sale. There is an FPV camera here in the front, so we'll be FPVing this a little bit later. But good fly line of sight. It's a bit windy right now, so I'm not sure how things will go. No idea how this will fly, but it has Betaflight on here. It's an older version, 3.4 I believe. Anyway, let's see how this flies. There's a bunch of different modes in here too, so I guess we'll find out when I start flipping some switches. And I think, yeah, so it's yaw. And we got pitch, and it's like it's very PID. The gains are probably too high here on the ground. Yeah, throttle's just arm wraps. Let's arm it. Okay, so that arms. And let's see what mode we're in. All right. So this is like some kind of angle mode. It's self-leveled, so it's just like flying a quadcopter, but in angle mode. Not bad. It's really different. Just seeing something like this. I mean, it kind of looks like a toy, but it feels like Betaflight. And you can see those rotors moving back and forth. Oh, it's got a bit of power. I have no idea what size motor this is. It's running bi-blades. I think they're probably like a 1306, something like that size. Somewhere around there, if I had to guess. 3-inch prop, I think. Again, sorry, I don't have any specs. Oh, it flies pretty nice, actually. It's pretty predictable. Alright, so this is like the angle mode, and I think there's a couple other modes here. Let's see what they do. Okay, so this is interesting. So you can see here, it goes back and forth, but the body stays level in this mode. You can see that. The camera wouldn't angle down, so this is going to be good for those guys that just want to be level. There's no camera tilt on this one. Let's fly around here with this. Yeah, so the camera does not tilt forward in this mode. It's just the rotors. Yeah, yaw works the same. Oh, it's getting pretty windy. Check out that wind there. And with that big body, it's getting pushed around. Alright, so I think that's like the, I don't know, angle mode with the body level. And I think this last mode is going to be acro mode. Yeah, it's some kind of an acro mode, but it's really docile. Alright, so I'm going to put it back into regular. This is the regular angle mode. This is kind of like what I'm used to with the camera tilting down. This seems to fly the best. And I think there's another mode here. This one doesn't seem to do anything. They gave me some documentation that there was another switch that does this, a weird mode, but this just looks like the same. Yeah. I think that's pretty much it, at least in this iteration. I'm sure they're going to give me some firmware updates or something like that at some point. Now they're saying it should run off a 3S 1300, but I don't have anything that size. So I'm running off a 3S 550. Flight time, I have no idea. Sorry. But I should be able to fly this in FPV in this mode, no problem. Let me give that a try. See if I can do some funnels here. Those are some not so good funnels. Alright, let's try some FPV now. See if I'll roll on the ground with the wheels. Ooh, it just bounces. Yeah, the wheels aren't so useful actually.